Hi everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev, and today I'm going to share with you a Paradise Delivered box. So let's get started. And this is one of my newer ones I've been getting, and so far I really like this one. I've canceled some of the old ones, that after a while you just get where it's like, same old stuff, what am I going to do with it, just give it away. So this is one of the newer ones. Here it is. Okay, it says, win your next box if I take a photo and send it in them. So on the back, it's got sit back, relax, and enjoy. The retail value of the products are $201, and this is a September 2021. And they also say shop their market. Everything is 50% off retail. Okay. Ooh. I know I make a lot of weird noises. My mom is so cute. She'd always be walking around. just wherever she'd be going, to be in the stores. She was a whistler. She could whistle the whole song. I tell you, that woman. The whole sentence. Oh, let's see. I'm going to pause this while I take a picture. And I'm back. Okay, first off is this. Ivy. IVY Olivia Satin Eye Mask. Well, color is it? Okay. It's black. It's got these stars on it. Don't know if I will use it, or I doubt if Bob would, because it's satin, He has a mask that he uses because when I'm still watching TV at night, because he goes to sleep a lot earlier than I do, he'll put the mask on until I turn the TV off. So what's it say? Soothe the delicate skin around your eyes with this feathery, soft satin sleep mask. Wake up well rested, ready to take on the day. And it retails for $28. That's expensive. Now, I could put it on, but go down that monstrosity on my face, driving me nuts. I'm kind of afraid of the dark a little bit. Because I was watching some TV programs on the ID channel one night, and watching the real life one scares me. And I got where we had to start putting the alarm on at night, and we leave the light on over the stove. I get scared. Okay, then we have, goodness, this cute container with a little scooper. So we'll take it out. Look at that, cute. And it is Sunday Rain Clear as Day Bath Crystals, charcoal and bamboo infused sea salts. I know I won't be keeping this either because I don't take baths. Strictly shower person, because some people, if they take baths, they have bladder problems, like bladder infections from it. So I don't even attempt it. And I can get in the tub, but getting back out is really a challenge. So this one, what's it say about it? Sunday Rain Bath Crystals. Pamper yourself with these purifying charcoal-enriched bath crystals formulated with sea salt crystals, a natural detoxifier that draws out toxins from the skin, leaving you feeling less stressed. And charcoal powder, it doesn't make sense. I'm reading the sentence as it is here. It's leaving you feeling less stressed, and charcoal powder, an ingredient that removes impurities from the skin. Use the wooden scoop to swirl 3 to 4 scoops into a warm bath until dissolved. Relax your body, mind, and senses. So that will be going in the giveaway. Then we have one of those little sponge things, I guess. After Spa Pure Konjac Sponge. Exfoliating and purifying. It's a hard little guy. It says rinse the konjac sponge in warm water before each use. Apply cleanser or use alone to gently massage skin in circular motions. Rinse with water and air dry. Use twice a day. Guess what? I'm not going to use it. What's it say on here about it? This detoxifying sponge deeply cleanses the pores by drawing dirt, oil, and environmental toxins away from the skin. The soft, porous texture gently buffs away dead skin cells, bumps, and flakes for smoother skin, and it retails for $10. So far I'm not too much, am I, this month? Usually they're so good. Oh, well, here's something. Baker's Brothers' mom's favorite shortbread cookies. These rich, buttery shortbread cookies are too good to have just one. Enjoy. Oh, this is one sitting. $5. Okay, that we're keeping over here in my other bag to go up front. Oh, this sounds like a necklace. By Amelia Rue, R-U-E. I'm hoping it'd be silver. I don't typically wear gold, but here's 2 cute bracelets. And with it is the necklace, which is pretty. It's gold. I don't know if you can see this very well. So it's pretty, just not my style. Are there earrings too? No earrings, just bracelets and necklace. I know they try. I'm just a hard person to please. I don't work anymore, I don't. Okay, so this 4-piece bracelet set, this posh layering bracelet set includes 4 unique and elegant pieces. 2 real glass beaded stretch bracelets accented with gold charms and a tassel. Sparkling gold bracelet with a lobster clasp, and an adjustable silk strand with a white marble charm. And ooh, $62. Who do I know who I need to get a gift for that would use it? I don't know anybody. I don't know. That one's going to have to be, that has to be a real think about it item. Okay, then we have SOS, which is Save Our Skin. Soothing face lotion with white tea and zinc. And it says, fortified with tea tree and zinc to combat shine, this silky white tea-infused face lotion delivers a soothing burst of weightless hydration to the skin for a well-balanced complexion. It's specially formulated to replenish the moisture barrier and tone, for a healthier looking appearance. Well, let's see. Oh, it must be, I wonder if it's from, yeah, Korea. Because I found a little panda bear and stuff on there. Okay, it's probably, oh, it's got a thing on it. But I think I'll probably keep this. So that's one item, right? Oh, and the cookies. That's right, put the cookies down there. Where'd the cookies go? I've got so much stuff piled here in front of me. What's it say? Oh, I should hold it up so you can see. This. Oh, I did read it. Gotta get my brain checked. There's always the worry of dementia. Being my dad had it. I'm just getting so forgetful on things. Oh, here's some Argan hair oil. Restorative Moroccan oil by Ivy Olivia. How to use. Apply a small amount to the palms of the hands. Massage into damp hair and style. Apply a few more drops to the finished look for added shine and protection. The benefits of using it. You have sun protection. It improves scalp health, moisturizes and conditions, helps prevent early hair loss, prevents damage from coloring and heat. And so this is $38. I'm keeping this because I'm a big argan oil proponent. Is that the word? And last but not least, they always include a book. You know how I don't read. Because I can't see to read, even with the glasses. So this would be a giveaway, I'm afraid. That's Good Vibes, Good Life. How Self-Love is the Key to Unlocking Your Greatness by Vex King. No relation. Be the best version of you that you can be. How can you learn to truly love yourself? How can you transform negative emotions into positive ones? Is it possible to find lasting happiness? In this book, author and Instagram guru Vex King answers all these questions and more. Isn't he wonderful? So, most of this is going to be a giveaway this time. I know some of you get upset when you think about keeping stuff. And if you don't use it, why keep it? You know? Just pile it back in the box. Except the stuff I'm going to keep. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. $62 though. I just don't work gold. Okay, so those I'm keeping. This I'm not. Okay, well, what'd you think? I mean, I'm happy with the box because it gave me such great things. This month, there just aren't a lot of great things that I use. But I don't mind giving it away to people, you know. Somebody's got to be nice. Too many people that aren't nice to other people. On Friday, we watched, because, Friday's our date afternoon. It used to be we went to the movie theaters every Friday. Well, of course, once the V hit, we had to kind of improvise, and we got in the habit of just doing it at home. Bob makes a big thing of popcorn, and we pick a movie, and we watch it, off Netflix or somewhere. So today we watched, what was his name? Joe. And I've just finished watching Joe Bell. It's based on a true story about a man who set out to walk from Oregon to New York City to try to show support for anti-bullying, because they had a son who was gay and took so much bullying at school that he killed himself. So this guy was doing this in honor of his son. So it was a sad movie, but it's a shame we have to teach people not to bully. God. Anyway, I'll get off that. So comment, share, like, subscribe, and I hope you're all having a terrific day. I love you all. Bye.